Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about protecting your car's paint, especially from salty air, gravel, road debris, or unpredictable weather, you've probably heard of Clear Bra, also known as paint protection film or PPF. But before you go and spend thousands of dollars, let's break it all down, the real pros and cons of Clear Bra installation, and show you how Icon Rocklear can take your protection game even further. So what is Clear Bra? It is a clear, durable film applied to your vehicle, usually starting with the front bumper, part of the hood, and fenders, and that's called a partial front. Some go even further with a full front, covering the entire hood, fenders, headlights, and side mirrors. This stuff is virtually invisible, but offers a serious defense against what the roads will throw at you. What are the benefits? Stone chips, handled. Bug guts, bird droppings, UV rays, salt, no problem. It also will help maintain your vehicle's resale value because your paint stays looking like new. Many modern PPF even offers self-healing technology. Light scratches, they disappear with just a little heat. But keep in mind, self-healing only works with light surface scratches like car wash swirls and little brushes, not deep gouges. PPF also makes washing your car easier. Dirt doesn't stick as easily, water sheets off, and maintenance time goes way down. Now, the downsides, well, first is the cost. A full PPF wrap can exceed easily over $6,000. Installation also matters. If it's done poorly or improperly, you'll see bubbles, lifting edges, and even uneven textures. Even the best installers may still show visible edges or slight orange peel effect in the film. If you want to do spot repairs, it's not possible with film. You have to replace entire sections, usually costing $300 or more per panel, and that's all on your pocket. And while waxing isn't needed, regular maintenance is still required, or you risk yellowing, discoloration, and lifting edges. Here's where Icon Rocklear comes in. This is a next generation coating that's thicker, stronger, and more durable than ceramic coatings, and it's fully repairable. Even better, PPF can actually be layered on top of the Icon Rocklear if you don't want to layer Icon on top of Icon. That means if something punches through the film, Icon Rocklear is still underneath, actively protecting your paint. Rocklear can be polished and repaired without removing panels, and most repairs cost nothing or at most a few $100s, but never thousands. Our recommendation for maximum protection for off-road or track-style vehicles: simply apply Icon Rocklear to the full painted body, saving you thousands, and then add paint protection film to the high strike zones like the front bumper, the hood, the mirrors. You get the best of both worlds: impact defenses up front and long-lasting protection and shine everywhere else on your vehicle without the full wrap price tag. And one more perk: Rocklear doesn't require expensive annual inspections to keep your warranty active, saving you even more over time. So here's the bottom line. Clear Bra is a fantastic tool for drivers who want extra protection from road hazards and physical damage. But if you're looking for a smarter, more cost-effective way to protect your entire vehicle, the Icon Rocklear PPF combo is a winning combination and the way to go. So before you book that expensive appointment, reach out to your Icon Rocklear team for a custom quote that fits your vehicle's needs. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your questions down in the comments below. Stay protected, and we'll see you in the next one.